proud sponsors, Round Products. If you need anything for your Harley Davidson, dyno tune, motor work, full builds, anything, hit them up. I also like to thank Urban Illustrators. If you need any screen printing, hats, custom, anything, hit them up. Thank you.
What's good, everybody? We out here. We're about to do some grudge racing. Can't hear it. About to do some grudge racing today. We're about to be running Aaron's bike. See how it runs. Got my bike out here. Little 114. See how it runs. Yeah. Yep, we're gonna show y'all how we do in NorCal.
What up? When you going up?
Right now, we're about to race Goldie.
Hell yeah.
Hey, go! chasing your race, man. You
Chase the race. You
jump.
say both jump.
Hey, Moss.
Jump. You say both jump.
If he don't move, then he
He don't move. He don't jump. But they both left. And actually, they both jump. They both jump before the flag.
What you want to do?
I'll knock you off on that bike.
What you want to do, Black? Is it a midget talking?
Man. We all popping it today. Where's your bike? My camp here today, we all popping it. Thirsty.
With that 2024, that's all stock, man.
My camp here, we popping it.
With that 2024, that's all stock.
Where's it at?
That's sad, bro. Ain't even seen it. Is it gone? Repo?
Oh, I got repo.
Yeah.
I'm in a $200,000 car, bro.
Repo.
Low compression bike, bro.
No, it ain't. I ain't gonna say nothing. I'm gonna keep it between us. I'm telling you right now. We 155. I done read 28, 143, 135. We was neck to neck the whole way. I'm like, yeah.
48. It's the dude that put it together. Hey, Limo's stay back. You got a tire in this? For the one that you put together. That motherfucker, man. There it is. What you got to say? There it is.
What, say what? Why you put me on camera? What are you
We're
doing?
gonna make you famous today. It's Monster Jockey YouTube.
Hop on the yellow and black bike. Hop on the yellow and black bike.
Hey, it's nice when a 20-year-old punches a 10-year-old in the face.
Hop on the yellow and black bike.
Yeah, y'all niggas out here catfish. Y'all niggas gonna be on the catfish show watch.
Hey.
No, scary ass man.
Man, bro, we got him sick out here, y'all. Man, we got him sick, bro. This was not supposed to happen, y'all. We got him sick, y'all. We got him sick out here, y'all, bro. They can't believe it, bro. They sick. They sick out here, y'all. They sick, bro. They can't believe it. My boy Dylan.
Dylan on the cam today.
5-0 right now, you know what I'm saying? We won $500 so far.
Yeah, 5-0.
Keep it going.
520.
520, actually.
He 2-0 today.
Yep.
Y'all ain't fucking with him. Who else got a cam only bike?
Cam only.
Got a cam only bike. Bro, you thought I was ready? Come on, let's get down. What you got to say to the camera, Leak, man? 2-0.
Just out here having fun.
Man, they thought Leak couldn't ride, man. Talk to the camera, bro. Say something,
That
man.
niggas can ride, man, if y'all was wondering, you feel me?
Leak said he taking anybody that's 250 and plus, cam only, on the ground. 114, 107, 117,
Yes,
whatever.
sir. We taking whatever.
Whatever, bro.
You got shit.
Yeah, man. All right. We got everything out here today. We got everything out here today. You gonna make it go slower. track hawk joint. Track hawk going crazy. Yes, sir, y'all. We out of here, man. We done for the day. Came out here a little grudge racing.
Outside with
Then we
Monster
got
Jockey, huh?
5 races in. I think with Aaron's bike. Aaron, we get 5 races.
Yeah, 5 races.
Yeah, 5 races. 5-0 today.
Come back.
We got me and Brian got our month beef now. Yeah, I ain't gotta call him every day and tell him let's race. We got Leak just fresh off the highway bike. It's all good. But anyways, y'all like and subscribe if y'all haven't already, man. Share, comment, all that. Appreciate y'all. Late.